beautiful people, and welcome back to Her Styles TV. I'm back with another video. This video is of a twisted updo on my clients. These updos have become popular in my salon. Twisted updos, a flat twist, because most of my clients, or some of my clients, work out and they don't want to worry about their hair while they're working out. And my motto is, don't let your hair stop you from working out, okay? That's what you're going to see today, is a twisted updo. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, guys, so you know how this starts. We're starting out with freshly shampooed hair and blow dried hair. She's all nice and clean and ready to get this low maintenance twisted updo. So I always twist with styling foam because it's more lightweight on the hair. So if she wants to take this down and wear it as a twist out, she can. She just have to do some fluffing and, you know, get rid of the parts. But usually my clients keep these styles for whenever it's time to get their hair done again. So that's what I am doing, just twisting it up. And I did the kind of like the large, the small twist, like you see the braids with the large one then the small one. That's how I did this twisted updo. So yes, that's what we're doing today, girls. All right. Alright guys, so when I'm done with the style, I always put mousse or foam on it and put these wraps on it to put it under the dryer for about 15-20 minutes, just so all the flyaways can lay down, and then it gives it a more neater finish. And you see there I did the, like I said, the large and the small twist, and I did a kind of tucked top part. And the front is individual 2-strand twist, so she can have some hanging in her face because she didn't want it all back. But yes, so this is the end of the video, you guys. Of course, she got to see that it meets her approval, and it did. So she really liked it. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. Thumbs up if you like my reaction. Comment as well. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Her Styles with the Z 15. And I will see you on the next one.